Welcome to the Revit 2024 interface overview. This video will guide you through the redesigned interface, focusing on the ribbon and its key features so you can get the most out of your design experience. When you open Revit 2024, you'll notice its modernized and organized layout. The improved interface is designed to enhance your workflow with intuitive tools and better navigation. At the heart of this experience is the ribbon. Highlighting the ribbon at the top, the ribbon is your command center. It's a dynamic toolbar organized into tabs that group related tools. Each tab focuses on a specific aspect of your project, giving you quick access to everything you need. Let's explore each tab, starting with the basics. The Home tab is where you start. Here you can create new projects, open existing ones, or choose a template to get started. It's a convenient launch pad for all your design endeavors. Next is the Insert tab, essential for bringing external content into your project. Whether you need to import CAD files, link models, or load families, this tab ensures seamless integration. In Revit 2024, these operations are faster and more reliable. Moving on to the Architecture tab. This is your go-to for creating building components like walls, floors, and roofs. With improved design tools in Revit 2024, you'll find it easier than ever to bring your architectural vision to life. The Structure tab is built for engineers and structural designers. It provides tools for beams, columns, and foundations tailored to structural workflows. Enhanced context-sensitive commands in Revit 2024 make designing these elements a breeze. The Systems tab is where MEP design happens. Whether you're working with mechanical, electrical, or plumbing systems, you'll find the tools you need here. Revit 2024 introduces streamlined workflows, making system design faster and more precise. The Modify tab is all about adjustments. From moving to mirroring, rotating, and aligning, this tab allows for quick edits to your model. Revit 2024 ensures these tools are more responsive, saving you valuable time. The View tab helps you control how you see your project, create floor plans, 3D views or sections, and manage visibility settings with ease. Revit 2024 introduces enhanced graphical controls for an even better visualization experience. The Annotate tab focuses on documentation. Add dimensions, text, tags, and symbols to your model. Revit 2024's annotation tools are more flexible, helping you create polished and professional construction documents. The Massing and Site tab lets you design site elements and building masses. Whether it's topography or conceptual forms, this tab offers precision tools for your site design needs. The Analyze tab is your gateway to performance insights. Conduct energy studies, load calculations, or analyze structural stability with tools that integrate seamlessly with Autodesk's ecosystem. Collaboration is key, and the Collaborate tab brings your team together. With cloud-based workflows and tools like BIM 360 integration, Revit 2024 makes it easier than ever to share and coordinate your work. Quick access toolbar and top right options. Customize your workspace with the quick access toolbar. Add frequently used tools for instant access. And don't forget the Help button and View options in the top right corner for support and interface customization. With Revit 2024, navigating the interface is simple, efficient, and intuitive. Whether you're designing, documenting, or collaborating, the updated ribbon and tools keep everything within reach. Thank you for exploring Revit 2024 with us. Dive into the enhanced interface today and take your designs to the next level. Happy designing.